Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making pumpkin cupcakes with the cream cheese icing. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs at room temperature, 1 cup of the canned 100% pure pumpkin, 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and also 1/2 teaspoon of salt. The ingredients for our cream cheese icing are 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 1/2 cup of salted butter at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 1/2 cups of confectioners sugar. Okay, to a large bowl, we're going to add in our brown sugar, our vanilla extract, vegetable oil, and our eggs. And we're going to mix that until it's well combined. Now to a separate bowl, we're going to add all our dry ingredients. We're going to add our flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, our nutmeg, our ground ginger, our ground cloves, and our salt. And all we're going to do is get a whisk and whisk that until everything is well combined. Now we're going to mix our dry ingredients with our wet, and we're also going to add our cup of pumpkin in. Okay guys, next I'm going to take my hand mixer and I'm just going to mix everything until it's well combined, and you just want to mix it until everything is smooth. Do not over mix it. Okay guys, your batter should look like this. Next I'm going to get my cupcake tin and line it with cupcake liners. Okay guys, I've lined my cupcake pan with some liners. Now all you're going to do is get an ice cream scooper, and we're just going to go ahead and scoop our batter into them. You don't want to overfill them. 3/4 of the way will be fine because they are going to rise. Okay guys, now they're ready to go in the oven at 350 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, look how beautiful these cupcakes came out. So now I'm going to transfer them onto a wire rack so they can cool off. Okay guys, so I'm going to give them about 15 minutes to cool off all the way. then we'll make our cream cheese icing. Okay guys, while we're waiting for our cupcakes to cool off, we're going to make the cream cheese icing. In a large bowl, you want to put your cream cheese and your butter, and we're just going to take a hand mixer and blend that until it's well combined. Okay guys, once you have it combined, you want to add in your vanilla extract and your confectioner's sugar. And guys, you want to make sure that the butter and the cream cheese is at room temperature and it's nice and soft, because if you don't, you're going to have lumps in it. So all I'm going to do now is go back in with my hand mixer and mix everything until it's nice and well combined. Okay guys, once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and put the icing into my piping bag. Excuse the piping bag, is from Christmas. I ran out of the regular ones. And I will be using a 105 tip. Okay guys, as you can see, our cupcakes are cooled and I began to ice the top of our cupcakes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our pumpkin cupcakes with the cream cheese icing. These are good for Halloween or Thanksgiving. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.